Hello everyone again and welcome to week number 10. This week we're dealing with pages 131 through 145 in the textbook. The learning objectives for the course for this set of reading is listed below. Again, we continue on the computers and mobile devices chapter. We left off with embedded computers, and these are dedicated computers that are built into components similar to ABS braking systems, microwaves, VCRs, smart TVs, things along those lines. Okay. Then we go on and deal with ports and connections to computers. Ports are normally something that we plug into the computer to extend its capabilities outside the actual box of the computer. And really there we have two big major types. Older types were called parallel ports or communication stuff. They were really meant for short distances. But the big ones that we use nowadays are all what we refer to as serial connections. Those are ones that the data stream is in line, so it can be amplified. So therefore, there's really no big length barrier, roughly around 1,000 feet. They have to amplify the signal, but they can amplify a serial. The most common type we run into there are USB connections. We also deal with wireless connections to our computer, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. They're both types of radio waves. Bluetooth is only meant to be around 100 feet or 33 yards, depending on the terrain. Wi-Fi, on the other hand, can be amplified and go greater distances. Other things we deal with in this chapter are protecting hardware. Thing about it is, there's theft, there's vandalism. Sometimes we have hardware failure, health concerns. We used to call these, they call them repetitive stress or repetitive strain injuries now. It used to be carpal tunnel syndrome, just new politically correct term. Vision is really a health concern when you're working on computers all the time. Not as much nowadays as it was in the olden days when I first started, but I'm living proof, man. Older monitors would get your eyes and your vision. Ergonomics is a cool terminology we deal with. It's how humans and machines interact and the design of that machine to make it more healthy for you. And then this chapter, we also talk about some of the behavioral health risks associated with computers, not so much health concerns physically, but now emotionally. So make sure you read the chapters good, watch all the videos, and we'll see you again next week.